Well, I'm afraid confused doesn't come into it. I'm bamboozled, I think, is the only possible word I can use, given the sort of ludicrous meaning of it. Took ages to get in. There was 5 pre-trial things similar to mine, and I heard 4 of them first. So I was wandering around like a spare park for quite a while. Went in. They discussed about remitting it back to magistrates. I don't think Crown want to know. I think Crown wanted this one off their desk, rather than the CPS trying to get it back to magistrates. I don't think Crown wanted it. So discussed all that, decided to do that. Then he asked me to stand up. I thought, okay, so I can say my piece now about the unlawful arrest and all the rest of it. This court and myself have been inundated with letters from you. Well, I think I sent 2, one of which was an abuse of procedure complaint, which apparently you're not allowed to do then, obviously. Can't complain. You were on YouTube saying a court official had helped you. Don't do that. It took me a minute. I couldn't understand what it was on about until I remembered later on the CPS bloke just explained to me the procedure of what would happen next. Fucked if I know how reporting on that's wrong. It's all fucked. Listen, guys, if you want to stop the truth coming out, slap a fucking High Court writ on me saying I can't broadcast anymore. If because you're obviously quite desperate to stop the truth coming out. Let's face it, the PC Harman phoned me up and invited me to attend a voluntary interview, which I continually asked if I was obliged to, which she would not or could not answer, and she ended up hanging up on me, and in her court statement said that I had refused. Well, at the end of the day, why can't you refuse to go to a voluntary interview? It's voluntary. Then there was at least 3 visits from any number of policemen from 2 to 5 with cars, vans, and God knows what else, at 5 in the morning, 11 at night, and other strange times. Then there was the pre-trial. Then they didn't get that right, so now we've had to do today. Sorry, then there was then I finally got arrested, and there was a magistrate's court. Went to Crown Court pre-trial. They didn't get that right. Then there was today. I don't know what the fuck happened today because I still haven't pled to any charges. I still haven't been, because the CPS have substituted the charges because of the unlawful arrest by the police. I haven't been charged with anything, and I haven't pled to anything, understandably. And now it's got to go back to magistrates. On what charge? The whole thing's fucked. How much have they spent on this? Because of what? A few text messages? We must be into the fucking tens of thousands by now. About 20 coppers involved, numerous visits, court staff involved, judges involved. So why did it ever go to Crown in the first place then? I'll fucking hold my hands up because I have fucking no idea what happened this morning. None. No freedom of speech allowed. No legal defence allowed, obviously. I've not yet had a chance, considering this started on January the 6th, to offer any kind of legal argument. Seriously, if you're that desperate to stop the truth getting out, don't you realise something's fucking far wrong here? It's fucking incredible. I've never seen anything like it. The absolute fucking shambles of everything. Anyway, I don't even feel much better for that, actually. I normally do, but oh my god. Right, and just by the by as well, obviously, this one being an unlawful arrest, which is proven now because they obviously needed a warrant signed by a judge to arrest me, which they didn't have. I was never formally arrested last year before you issued a summons, Cambridgeshire Police. So that one's fucked as well, because that's come out now. I needed to be arrested before you could issue the summons. And sorry, but stepping into the back of a marked van with uniformed officers present does not indicate to me that I have been arrested, especially when you don't fucking say it, and especially when I'm going for a voluntary interview. Which, if you ask if you're obliged to attend and the police don't answer you, you've then refused, so you didn't get arrested for refusing to go to a voluntary interview. There's something very far wrong here. I don't know what it is, but I'll find out, believe you me. Anyway, I'm still a free man. I'll see you all later.